Okay, let's try to do this. So Teamwork Project Manager. I created a free account. Now let me log in. Okay, so this is the dashboard. I took the time to create a project, which can be done very easily. You are prompted at the beginning to create a project. You can assign a client. And then here's what you get. I also created a task. So here you can review your task. There are like some quick menu. You can mark it as complete. And you can create another task. Name it, put some notes, have the ability to set privacy settings to see who in your team will be able to see that one. If it's related to a milestone, milestones. Here you can create them and review them in the calendar on the left. Messages for this project. So I guess this is probably gonna email your message and keep, oh no, you can choose to notify by email and select people, and it will be logged. The files, always very interesting to have like a place where you can have files that are going to be used by everybody. Time, oh, you can track your time. Oh, you can even start a timer. That's nice. And if you have an agency, an inside agency billing customers, that's really nice. I mean clients. Notebooks for notes or document. You can even manage risks for projects. That's nice. And the link. This is for the billing part. And here you can add more people very easily. Let's just give a quick look at the other tabs. So here you have your dashboard. Oh, here you can check task completed, milestone, messages, comments, all time, workload. It's very nice. And here for your projects, active project, current project, a calendar view, which is always nice. Statuses, seems that you can find out what people on your team are doing. And then you can add people on your team and switch easily from one project to the other. Okay, here we go. So this is Teamwork PM, a quick look.